Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. So today I am decorating my family room, you guys, and I am cleaning it out. It literally took me all day to clean this family room and get it prepped and get it ready for you guys to help me decorate. So I am not gonna really talk too much in the beginning. I am gonna be jumping in here and there, and I am also collaborating with a bunch of my wonderful friends here on YouTube. So definitely stay tuned for that because you guys don't want to miss that information. But let's go ahead and get into the video.
With Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing.
I know you guys are probably wondering what I'm doing. So I am covering my coffee table with some contact paper, and I got this contact paper from Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box for you guys, because every time I painted it, it just got scuffed up and scratched up and marked up and all the things. So I am going to be getting a whole different, living room set, coffee table coming in the new year. But for now, I just kind of wanted to preserve it a little bit. So I went ahead and I covered it up with the contact paper. However, I ran out, so I have to order another roll and finish up the table. But I think that it turned out wonderful. So now I am just going ahead and I am decorating it. As you notice, I covered that part that is not completely finished yet, and I just put like a little frame, wrapped it with some wrapping paper on the inside, and now I'm just going ahead and decorating it with items that I already had in my stash. I did not purchase anything at all for this coffee table. So that's what I am doing now, and I love the way that it turned out, the simplicity of it. I love the neutral tones, and the woodland theme. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. So if this is your first time here watching my videos, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivation, and lifestyle videos. So if that is something that you are interested in, I would love for you to go ahead and consider subscribing. Also, double tap that bell, set the notifications to all so that you don't miss any of my episodes. I would also love to get to know you, so I ask if you can leave your name in the comment section, and also where you are watching from. What theme are you going with this year for your Christmas decor, and what is your favorite part about this video? Thank you so much for joining me today, and to my oldies but goodies, y'all know I love you guys to the end of the world. I love y'all so much, and I appreciate all your love, all your sacrifice, all your prayers, everything, encouragement. Y'all know how much I adore y'all. So thank y'all so much for always coming back and always supporting your girl. Love you guys to the moon and back.
To have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else.
So today I am collaborating with my good friends here on YouTube, my sister girls. I just love these ladies so much. And we're bringing you the Christmas Decorate with Us. You guys, this is super inspirational. You guys are going to get so much decorating inspiration. We're all different styles of decor, and it's just a fantabulous. So we have Lianep, my girl from Beauty on Purpose at Home. She also has a DIY channel from Beauty on Purpose DIY. Make sure you check her out. I will have her links down in the description box. My girl KP, I call her KP, from Home with Kelly P, and my girl Lisa Burningham from Lisa Burningham, and of course myself, Shushana from All Things Shushana. Make sure you guys go ahead, check out their channels, subscribe to their channels, and double tap that bell. Y'all don't want to miss anything that these ladies push out. Their channels, their content is absolutely incredible, okay? So the playlist will be linked down in the description box below, as well as their channels. Make sure you go and show them some love and let them know that I sent you over. Thank you guys so much for your support, and we love y'all.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together two Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want.
So I just love the way that my tree turned out this year, you guys, and it's one of several trees that I am decorating, and I just love the way that this tree turned out. It is absolutely my favorite tree so far that I've done, and I'm just vacuuming all the pieces because I decorated this tree in the same day that I am doing a clean and decorating video, so it just worked out perfectly. And I'm just vacuuming up all of the little trimmings from the tree that fell while I was decorating it, and you know, I love the way that it turned out. Like, it's so cozy and just warm, and the colors are just amazing. So with the tree being as large as it is and all the decor that I packed in there, I wanted to just have like a more simpler decor style in the family room and even throughout the house. Like, the Christmas trees are going to be like the major oomph, you know, the pop in the entire home. So I wanted the spaces to kind of be decorated around the trees, and I wanted them to be as minimal as possible. I do have kids, y'all, so, and then y'all know Nyla, she's already destroying the place. And so I just wanted it to be very minimal. I didn't want it to be too much over the top and just decor everywhere. So I do have touches of Christmas everywhere, but they're simple touches. Like, I just added maybe a vase full of greenery, or, you know, just like a Christmas tree or cone or something like that. I did not want it to be overwhelming. I wanted all my regular decor to be in my space and just added touches. So that's something that you guys can also incorporate in your home. It doesn't have to be a lot of Christmas everywhere, but just the simple touches. If your Christmas tree is like boom, bam, like badow, everywhere else can be simple, but it doesn't have to be. It's according to what you see. You can do as much Christmas as you want. For me, Christmas is never enough of it. So, you know, but this is the end result. And of course, you guys are going to get a tour, a home tour, but I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. And it just feels so cozy and so warm, and all the simple touches of the greeneries and everything. It invokes Christmas, but it's still, you know, it's still calm and cozy. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely stay tuned. I have so much more coming up for you guys. Don't forget to go and visit my girls, visit their channel, subscribe to them, and check them out, y'all. Y'all will not be disappointed, but I'm telling y'all, they are amazing. Okay, Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget, Jesus is Lord. He is the reason for the season. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I'm not sure he even knows my name.